how to crop long videos and split them for your Instagram stories. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will show you how you can split your videos for Instagram stories, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now just to show you, if I open my gallery, I want to upload this 1 minute 37 second video, which is at the very top left hand side of my gallery. You can see over here. Now let's say I want to upload this to my story. The problem is that now Instagram does have an update that will allow you to upload videos of up to 1 minute, right? So you can upload up to 1 minute videos, but if you want to upload beyond that, you have to split it into each pass, which means up to 50 seconds or 59 seconds and above. And it is not going to crop the next part, but it will only ask you to simply select a size between those 60 seconds. To prove this to you, if I just try to add a new story here, I'll just tap on allow access. Then over here, I'll just go ahead and actually select the video that I want to upload. Then once I select the video I want to upload, it says that introducing longer stories, videos up to 60 seconds long will no longer be broken up into segments, but you will not be able to upload more than 60 seconds. That is simply the downside of it. So what do we do in these cases? In these cases, we have to split this video into two parts anywhere between 60 seconds. And to split this video, I have this application called Video Splitter, which is also available in your Google Play Store. So open up a Google Play Store and then in the search box, just type in Video Splitter, right? So I'm just going to type in Video Splitter, and then you'll see this application pop up on the list. I'm personally using this one, but you can use any other ones. So I'm going to open the app, allow the permissions, then I'm going to tap on anywhere to start a new video. I'm going to select that 1 minute 37 second video, and now I have to actually split it into two parts. By default, if you look at the bottom left, then it will show you 30 seconds, but Instagram does support up to 60 seconds, so this is not what we want to utilize. So I can just crop anywhere between 60 seconds and the rest into that 30 seconds video. To do this, I can just come to manual tab from the bottom of the screen right over here, and when I go to manual, I can select the first crop. So I want the first crop to happen between, let's say, 59 seconds, because sometimes 1 minute will also exceed. So I want the first crop to happen between 59 seconds, right? So I'll just select break at marker button here, and the rest crop will be selected automatically from 0:59 to 1 minute 37 seconds. So this video will be split into two parts. Now all I need to do is tap on the split now button from the bottom of the screen here. Now it may take some time, mind you that it may take some time to split the video because it's just cutting the video apart and then it's re-rendering them again. So I'm just going to come back after this split process has actually been complete. So now you can see the split process has been complete. Now if I show you on my gallery, that 1 minute 37 second video has also actually been split into two parts. If it doesn't show up, just try to refresh the gallery app again, and you'll most likely find you can see two videos, now three videos. This was the original video, and now you have the two more videos. Now I can add them to my story one after another because it will not notice the difference. So I'll open up my Instagram here. Then once I open my Instagram, I'll just tap on the Your Story button. First I'll select the first video, which is of 59 seconds, and after that I'll select the second part, which is of 39 seconds. So first I'll select the 59 second video, just like this. I'm going to leave it at that. Then directly I'm going to upload it to my story by just tapping the Your Story button over here. Then I'm just going to tap on no, then I'll just upload this to my story. Once the uploading process for this story has begun, I'll begin the uploading process for the second story, which is just swipe again and then just tap this gallery icon. This time I'll select the 39 second video, which is the second part of this video, right? And after I do that, I'll just select Your Story button, and as I do that, my Instagram story will be successfully added by splitted into two parts. So this is how you can split videos to upload to your Instagram stories into multiple parts. Hope this video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.